Hi guys, it's been a while since I have posted anything, but now is the time. Today I'm opening this Tabba squishy from Miniso. It looks so cute, and it's my favorite color, blue. So let's open. Wait a minute. No, it's oh. It's so sticky. Wait. Oh my god. Look at that. It's so cool. Bye guys. Thank you.